Hey guys, it's David Wynn here. Just touched down at Las Vegas, Mandalay Bay Hotel. This is the room. What I like about it is it has a bath as well as a shower. So if you can't make a decision, they make the decision for you, right? Room's pretty clean, right? Room's pretty clean. What I love about this place is you get the little office desk, get some work done, right? I'm already checking my Clickbank and affiliate stuff over here. And yeah, just a great place for 1 week. Doing some learning. GrowthCon 4, right? I was here at GrowthCon 3, not here, but in Miami, 3. This is GrowthCon 4. Literally super tired because I missed my first flight. First flight was 5 a.m. in the morning. I don't know why. I was moving a fish tank and everything else, and I just couldn't get to sleep. And I ended up not waking up to the alarm, and it happens, and it's my first time I ever missed a flight. Thankfully, United took care of me, no extra fee for changing my flight. So what I want to talk about today is that you gotta take yourself out of your box, right? Take yourself out of the box so you can invest in yourself personally and grow, right? And the biggest highlight from this trip, of course, is going to be going to GrowthCon and learn from Grant Cardone, Kevin Hart, all these other very inspirational people, right? Building a network, having fun in Vegas, of course. But one of the biggest things is meeting up with some of my closest friends, Alpha Brand, right? Mike and Jennifer. So that's a huge deal for me, right? This is a relationship that started a few years ago and has expanded. So being around people that you care about that you don't necessarily live around is a big deal, right? So you guys got to invest in yourself and be around a strong network of people you can trust, people you can grow with, people that push you every single day of your life so that you're not being complacent, right? I've had my ups and downs over the last year, let me tell you, from digital marketing agency, which I still run, Airbnb, affiliate marketing. I've done it all, right? I've done so much in the last year. Has it all been super successful? Yes, I've had some success with all of those things. Right now, I'm doubling down on affiliate business because that's what I truly enjoy. I like the most. I just like it because it's something you can do anywhere from everywhere. You add value to people's lives every single day and for free. And then if they decide, they want to be part of your programs and you want to do some extra coaching with them, you can do that. What's also great about affiliate marketing, guys, is the fact that, there's no after sale service if someone buys something. You just point in the right direction. They're looking for it anyway. They buy it and then you move on, right? You don't have to deal with clients and all that stuff unless you want to. For myself, I like to coach people and stuff. So people send me a message on YouTube all the time like, Dave, how do I get started in affiliate marketing? How do I get started on Clickbank? How do I get started on Airbnb? All this stuff. And I don't mind helping people because I want to add value to people's lives every single day because I didn't have a place to start myself, right? When I was just getting started, I had no idea. So I went to YouTube and I learned from some of my mentors like Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, Wesley Virgin, right? Robbie Blatcher. So I just want to tell you guys and give you guys this message that you got to invest in yourself, even if it costs a little bit of money. Go places, network, get out of your city, go to new places you haven't been before. This is my first time I've ever been to Vegas. I'm looking forward to it. I'm super tired. It's 11:30. I'm probably still gonna venture around a little bit so I can see the city, see some city lights, because I heard it looks beautiful at nighttime, right? But at the end of the day, I'm still getting my work done from a computer because I can work from anywhere, right? So make sure you guys travel. And if you can't afford to travel right now, there's a couple steps that I recommend you taking. If you have a job, start putting away a percentage of that money, whether it's 10%, 20%, putting it aside into another account that you cannot touch, that you'll be storing away. It's not even saving, it's storing, right? Forget it exists. That money can be used towards a new course, right? After you do the research, that money can be used towards some investments, real estate. It can be used to travel, see places you've never been to before, right? That being said, if you put money, just leave it in your regular account, it's going to be spent. It's going to be used. It's not going to exist. You're not going to have that money. Because the moment you're touching this cash or it's in your bank account, you're going to buy something, right? We buy stupid stuff. It's just the way humans are. It's the way people are. I do it. Try not to do as much, but I do it, right? I'm impulsive. We're all impulsive, right? We see a commercial, we see an ad, we see the new shiny new course, we get it. You want to do the research, right? But if you haven't traveled for a while, you don't know where you want to go, do the research. YouTube is a free resource. Google. Go to these places, start searching things. But just don't be complacent and be happy with what you have. If you're a billionaire, okay. If you're Jeff Bezos, if you're, I'm not going to say anything about you. But if you're not, even if you're doing 6 figures at work, there comes a time where people are losing their jobs. There comes a time when businesses are shutting down. There comes a time when, retail is shutting down. I don't know what industry you're in, but they can you eventually, not being a negative, I'm just saying your job can be lost. So if you put matters in your own hands, you'll have true freedom and you're in control of your own destiny, right? So you need to manifest your own destiny. Write down your goals, put the money aside to account that you can't touch. And then later on the year or next year, you can buy that course that you always wanted or you're looking to start. You can start that business you always want to start. You can go on that trip you always want to go to, right? But that's my advice today is store the money. After you store the money, invest in yourself. That's it. And if you don't have a job right now, right? You're struggling for work, you don't even have a job right now, and you have nothing, okay? A resource I'm going to give you is my website. It's www.myfirstonlinesale.com. It's a free training for affiliate marketing. People to just get started. If you have nothing, you can start there. Go to Clickbank, look for promotions you can talk about, and then do a video just like me about it, right? It could be do it yourself, right? Do it yourself, survival, like recharging your old dead batteries. There's a promo on that, right? There's meditation, there's health and fitness, there's weight loss. Find something, and then if you scroll down, I'm gonna show you right now, actually. So www.clickbank.com, right? Once you get here, you wanna go to Marketplace. So this, if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, this is what you can do to make money right away, like for free. Marketplace, right? Then you're gonna see, okay, what promos can I advertise? So what are you into? It's best to find a niche that you're actually interested in. But let's say you wanted to promote, let's see here, green products, okay? I was talking about rechargeable batteries. So green products, number one product that shows up is this new battery reconditioning, which is called Easy Battery, right? Someone clicks on your link for this promo, it's $49.72 you get, plus upsells. All right? Click on this link to reach their affiliate page to see what kind of marketing materials you can get for free. And then you click promote to get something called a hop link. So here to find different promotions, you can actually choose sort results by gravity score. So gravity score is literally the higher the gravity, the better it's selling, the better the promo, right? So this is obviously a hot product. So all you have to do, I'm gonna open up a new link here. This is their affiliate page, and it gives you all this information that you can use, target audience that you want to promote to, and resources and web pages and everything else that you can use to promote it. If you want to keep it super, super simple, you do this. Click promote, create hop link, boom. And that link right there, the hop link you can copy and you can paste it onto different forums. That hop link you can put into different forums, web pages, yeah, everywhere, and then start promoting right away, right? So start promoting online, and then when people buy, when you talk about a subject or this product, people click on the link and they buy, they're interested in it anyways, they buy, you get that $49 or whatever it was, right? So that's a quick way to make money. Find a product, talk about it, post it on your Instagram. Make an Instagram niched page. And then your link, one link on your Instagram, put that link there. A trick is make sure that you get something like a bit.ly or something that shortens the link, so that it's not just a super long hop link, and it's safer for Facebook as well. And then you can start literally sharing it in Facebook groups and stuff like that. So that's my tip of the day, guys. And I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Moral of the story is get busy. Moral of the story is invest money into your own education. Seeing new places, meeting new people, and building your network, and stashing away that money. And and for anyone that doesn't know how to make money online and start their first business, or how to get started in affiliate marketing, I just showed you how to get started. Hopefully that was valuable to you guys. This is David Wynn, August University. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I appreciate you guys. If you need anything at all, give me a call. We'll set up a 15-minute call for free, talk business. If I can help you in any way, I will. I appreciate you guys, and have a good one.